What are diamond smart contracts? What is EIP2535? My name is Hardhat, and you are once again welcome to my YouTube channel. If you can recall, every week I do a weekly series about my activities in Web3 Bridge. Yeah, that's what I've done within the past week and all that. If you recall, last week we started learning about diamond contracts. That's how to write a diamond smart contract and all that. If I thought you are a little bit confused with what are diamond smart contracts and what is a normal smart contract here. Now, your normal smart contracts are like, they have some limitations, such as, for example, once you deploy a smart contract like on the blockchain, you can't upgrade it, you can't really modify it, you can't modify its state again. And again, a smart contract having like a maximum size. Once is 24.7 kilobytes. Like, that's it. You understand? Now, diamond smart contract comes into play. Okay, diamond smart contracts now, they are upgradable. You can actually modify it, and again, is literally like unlimited in size. It's literally unlimited in size. And again, diamond smart contracts, they are having some components such as diamonds facets and diamond loop facets and all that. We have already discussed this in our previous video. That's specifically last week. So if you are actually still confused on that, please visit my last week video. Yeah, so now, if you recall, last week I told you guys that we'll be going through we'll be upgrading our smart contract to a diamond smart contract. Yeah, so that's what we did basically this week. We upgraded our smart contracts, tested it and deployed it in blockchain. Yeah, that's what we did actually this week. So I'm going to walk you guys through on how I was able to achieve that, on how I was able to achieve that, guys. So if you are interested in the smart contract, please just stay with me.
Now let's head straight to the diamond smart contract documentary. Although, if you can recall, last week I've already gone through the overview of diamond smart contract, that's EIP2535. It was created by Nick Mulch, and it was created in February 2020, and it was finalized in October 2022. This proposal standardizes diamonds, which are modular smart contract systems that can be upgraded / extended after deployment and have virtually no size limit. I told you guys already. So sorry, if you want to know more about diamonds, just quickly go to info.diamonds. Like, literally everything is there. How to use, how to initialize it, and how to code it and all that. Now, if you want to initialize a diamond smart contract, yeah, we have three types actually. We have diamond 1 Hardhat, diamond 2 Hardhat, and diamond 3 Hardhat. So you will just, because I think 3 is the latest one, so you just clone this project yeah, you just clone this project here. Now, why are you cloning this project actually? Why are you cloning this project? Now, it's already having almost all the stuffs that you need. That is having all the facets that you need to start writing like that, instead of start writing from scratch from scratch and all that. Why not clone this code, then you like a kind of modify it a bit. I just want to walk you guys through on how it looked like. Hardhat. Yeah, so let's open it in our VS Code now. Let's open it. Good. See how like how this. So this is the cloned project. Now inside this contract, this is where you have all your contracts, that the libraries and the facets and all that. So now let's or if you want to use, you know that this one is only for Hardhat. If you want to use the foundry, Timidan has done the template. Timidan is like one of our mentors here, like in Web3 Bridge too. He did a template using Foundry and Hardhat. So if you want to use this template, you can just quickly create a new repo here, or you can clone it here, like as I've done it already. So this was the project that we worked on within the week. This inside this contract is where we have our facets, is where we have interfaces, is where we have our libraries as well. Then we also have our upgrade initializers. Everything is found inside this contract. Our facets. Facet is just they are just core components of a diamond that they contain only functions. They contain only functions. That's external functions where a diamond can make a delicate call to. That's just it. The diamond cut facet, the diamond loop facet, the ownership facet, all these ones, their follow come with a template. All these ones, yeah, their follow come with a template. Then you also, since our contract is having some interfaces, yeah, we also use the interfaces. I like and all that. So that's how after your interfaces, we also have libraries. We also did our libraries. This is where we store our state variables. This is where we store our state variables here. Then we also have a script where we can deploy our where we can deploy our diamond contracts, that deploy and verify, where we can deploy and verify our diamond smart contracts here. So once you must have done that, you now, once your smart contracts have been verified, once your smart contracts have been deployed and verified, you will now check on looped.dev. You will paste your verified diamond address here. Then you will see all the facets. That's the diamond cut facets, diamond loop facets, ownership facet, buy token facet, and the token util facet as well. This is a functions selector, yeah. So like literally everything is here. So if you want to know more about diamonds, if you want to really know more about diamonds, just go through this documentation and go through this info diamonds as well. Going to this info diamonds as well. Thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, and that was it actually. That was how we were able to upgrade our smart contracts to a diamond smart contract. Yeah, to diamond smart contract. We deployed it on our testnet blockchain, Guale actually, and we verified it as you can actually see in the video. So this week, that's week 12, we'll be doing some stuff still. Like we'll try to upgrade more smart contracts. We'll try to explore more on the diamond smart contracts and all that. Yeah, so that is it. Last but not the least, I want to give a special shout out to our mentor for the past 2 weeks, Mr. Abims. He's been very, very nice. Like, he's been doing like a lot of work. Like, he makes sure that we actually understand the whole stuff and everything. So like, I want to really give a big shout out to him and all that. And again, to Mr. Israel of Web3 Bridge, like he's building a lot of blockchain programmers and all that. Till then, stay tuned, guys. Like, I'll be back next week. Thank you once again. Bye, guys.